My son, he said, I was talking to him about having the implants done. He said, oh, well, I told him what it costs because I talked to him about everything. And he said, you know, you can get it done for like £2,000 in Turkey. I said, really? You go then. I said, well, I couldn't really because I know that any surgery that I have, dental surgery, is going to be complex and, you know, not really suitable. And he went, oh, that's an awful lot of money. It isn't an awful lot of money. In actual hard cash it is, but it's sort of beyond price for me because I've got all my confidence back that I've always had all my life until my teeth started dropping out. Yeah, and when I came back with the deprogrammers in, my son was absolutely amazed. He said, you look so different. Yeah, you look so different. So people have noticed. I was absolutely fine post-surgery. I didn't have sedation. I just had, obviously, the anaesthetic, but when I actually had the surgery, I didn't have any pain after. I didn't take any painkillers. So now I've had extremely smooth ride, I think. But I've always been like that. I would say, you know, go to 21D, have an assessment and see what you think. I found it very confidence building. Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. I felt confident that these people could do what I wanted for me.